Look at the manual master move. This is so good. No way, this is sketchy. Oop. Okay guys, I hope you're all doing well. I'm gonna do a Skate 3 challenge today. I'm gonna attempt to do my very longest manual. So I probably should have done a bunch of research and seen what's the longest manual anybody's ever done in Skate 3? Can it go literally forever? I just had this idea because I realized maybe there's a way that I can, there's this hill in Skate 3, and I think if I do a trick into the hill, land in manual, and just manual the entire hill, could it be the world's longest Skate 3 manual? Or is there some place in Skate 3 where it's just infinite hill glitch and it just goes forever? I don't know, leave it in the comments below if you guys know. But I'm gonna go for the world's longest manual in Skate 3. First off, I'm gonna push up to the top of this hill because I think this is the best place. I was trying to do it at this other spot before I started filming. The thing that's gonna make me nervous here is all of these trucks. So I need to find some place where it just goes like downhill and it just basically goes forever. This is the ideal situation. Isn't there a way to sketch on the trucks too? Oh wow. Let me just check this. Trick guide. I saw something earlier that was like sketch. Maybe other tricks. Sketching. Hold the button when behind a vehicle to sketch. If it's too far away, keep holding the button as you approach to make the car slow down. RB. Okay, let's go. Let's see if we can sketch up this hill. Oh, not sketch, not what I wanted. Oh, I had him. Oh yes, look at this. This is so good. Oh wow, we're sketching fast. Can I manual and sketch? Am I manualing right now? Oh, this might be it. This might be the infinite manual. Oh wow, he knocked me out. All right, now that I know about all that, I think I need to keep going up here because this is still a hill, then I can go into that hill below me. Does anybody know, like, how do I just teleport to the top of this hill? There's probably a way, or I can just push. This is the longest push ever. Let's do a quick kickflip underflip, which I definitely didn't mean to do. Okay, I might be onto something. For sure somewhere the top of this hill ends, and for sure the manual down is going to be the most epic. Like, maybe I should just Google it really fast, or ask ChatGPT. While I'm pushing up this, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, what is the longest manual ever done in the video game Skate 3? The longest manual ever recorded in Skate 3 is 42,000 feet, achieved by Sean Alvarez in Burlington, Wisconsin on May 11th. However, there's a YouTube claiming an older record of 57,000 feet, which may indicate that there have been longer undocumented and unofficial attempts. Okay, sorry. I was pushing into the bushes there. So, 42,000 feet. Earlier I did a manual. I thought, wow, that must be the longest manual ever done. That's what gave me the idea to make this video. And I think I manualed about 2,000 feet. But we're talking here, we're talking 42,000 feet. And then somebody else apparently went 57,000, but let's see what we can do. I think I'll be happy with at least, I don't know, it's hard to gauge the feet, but I think just off the top of my head, I would like to do at least 10,000 feet. Wow, this is a lot longer than I thought. Okay, this has got to end somewhere. Okay, now I know. I should have just teleported to the observatory thing. Okay, now I don't need to skate all the way up the hill again. So I'm gonna go here, going to set my marker. Okay, I have to do at least a kickflip. Okay, kickflip manual. See, I was thinking there's gotta be a place, if you go back and forth like this, that you can keep your speed. So that's what it's like in real life. I think the Skate 3 physics are actually really good, and I think they're actually really close to real life. Dang, look at the manual master move. So I'm already at 350 feet, which is pretty good. And I see that there's a Hall of Meat challenge over there, which I kind of want to do. But not this video. This video right here is world's longest manual. And I'm still going. So I basically manualed all the way around that thing, which... Wait, did I stop? I must have. Dang it. I must have let it down because it stopped. I was at like 300. It went down to 95. Okay, I'm not going to do that again. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do a kickflip right here. And we're going to go down this hill. Like a real manual. Okay, here we go. Also, the more speed I get. Oh, wow. Is it going to speed wobble? No way, this is sketchy! Does that look just like me? Okay, we're going to hit 1,000 feet soon. Boom, 1,000 feet done. See where we can get. Mayo is for inline skaters. Okay. Strange billboard. Okay. Still manualing. We will hit 2,000 feet soon. Wow. It's a lot of pressure. If I let it down now, it's a total mess up. Okay. 2,000 feet done. Wow. It's bumpy roads. What is this, Oakland? Okay. Are we going to make 3,000 feet? Are we going to make 3,000 feet? I better not look at the camera. I gotta have full focus. Okay. And boom. 3,000 feet. I'm like getting impatient now. I'm like, go faster, hill. Go steeper. Wow. Almost messed up there. Could have fell. Hug the inside corners. Wow. 4,000 feet coming in hot. And we did it. 4,000 feet. We're out there. Dang it. Okay, I stopped at 4,000 feet. Ouch. Okay, run it back. Go back to the top. 4,000 feet. That was weak. I gotta be able to do it better than that. There's no way somebody... Okay, I'm gonna try and do 10,000 feet. There's no way somebody did 57,000 feet. I guess I just gotta hold the joystick in the exact same position. It's gotta be perfect. Just like a real manual in real life. I love it when it goes super fast like that and you get speed wobbles. Also, maybe I should do this with nose manual. No. Almost hit that. No! The turning is really bad when you're in manual. Oh, so much pressure. Starting to breathe heavy. Okay, my current goal, my current best is just over 4,000 feet. See if we can beat it. 3,000 feet. Yes. Turn it. I gotta get all the way down to where those cars are. That's what's gonna be like the really good. Come on. We're gonna pass 4,000 feet with a breeze. 10,000 is coming our way. I remember Tony Hawk 2 Infinite Manual Glitch, and you just did like every trick. You would land it always in manual, and you just keep going. And your line was endless. Uh-oh. This is where it gets sketchy. People and cars. I think I could go into the settings and turn off the people and cars. But that's probably cheating, isn't it now? Okay. We're about to surpass 5,000 feet. I'm not gonna lie, this is the proudest moment ever. 5,000 feet, boom, we did it. We're out here. I wish he was going a little faster, you know what I'm saying? This is like holding a manual for a really long time. Okay, here we go. Don't hit a car, please don't hit a car. This camera angle's bad. Get out of my way, car! Oh, I almost dodged him to the right, but I think I need to stay on this road. Oh no! Oh, that was sketchy. Okay, 6,000 feet, guys. 6,000 feet. I don't think I can do this again. Get that car out of the way! Why is that car doing that? Either go faster or slow down. Okay, I think I know what I'm going to try and do. I'm going to try and cut into this hill bomb. If I can get this car to get out of my way. Okay, I need to somehow slow down a bit. Okay, there we go. Okay. Okay, I think this is it. No! No! I hit a person at 7,300 feet. Dang it. Is there a way to like see how, oh, I know, this way. Oh, does it show you? Dang it. That person right there. Why'd I have to do that? Oh no, it's so annoying. I don't know, I have the patience to do that again. That was the hardest, longest things I've ever done in my whole life. Okay, I'm gonna do a grind into the manual this time then. Okay. Let's go. Longest manual ever. I don't even think if I wanted to like rebait this and watch it that I could, because I don't think it records that long. Okay. Where's Manny Busters when you need him? You guys know who Manny Busters is? Do you guys know who Wrecking Ball is? Leave it in the comments below if you know who Wrecking Ball is. Mayo is for inline skaters. Okay. Don't hit that. Do not hit that. Okay, so far so good. Easy money. I can't even remember what I did last time. 7,300. The target goal here is 10,000. I think I shouldn't have tried to go up that thing. I think I should have just kept going straight. But maybe there's some place in Skate 3 where there's a longer hill. Hard to imagine because this hill is very, very long. That guy's just doing tricks down the hill. Actually, you know what probably you need to do? Speed glitch, manual up the hill, get to the top of the hill, turn down, and then manual down. That's probably the way to do it. No, no, no. Don't hit the dirt. No. Okay. This is where it gets sketchy. So we got the cars. Part of me wants to go in the incoming traffic side, but I'm not going to do that. Oh, you know what might help? Is if I weave. Is that going to help me go slower, but cover more territory because it's actually longer? Or is it just going to get me hit by a car when I at least suspect it? Oh, these cars, get out of here. Okay, I feel like I've got a fairly good strategy here. Every time I do this, there's gonna be a car that like just won't get out of my way. I like the skate license plate though. Skateboard, no! Dang it, 6,170. I cannot do that again. I do not have the patience to go through that again. Stupid car. Okay, well, I'm gonna try a different strategy now. I'm gonna try to sketch up the hill in manual. Here we go. Oop. Sorry, sir. I just needed to sketch upon your vehicle. Thank you very much. Well, if this is going to work, and if it's going to work best, it's going to work from the bottom of this hill. So I'm going to go to the very bottom. Oh, look at that guy. He's sketching down. I tried to sketch. Didn't work out. Okay. I got it. Okay, technically, we're manualing up this hill. Oh my gosh, we're going really, really fast all of a sudden. But you see that? I'm in manual. I'm in manual, people. Oh wow. So like you can sketch and the car goes really fast and then you use it to get speed and then launch. That's pretty sick. They really did this game good. Okay, well that's not gonna work. So I'm just gonna do another test run here. See what happens if I'm in manual and I hit the bottom of this hill. Where can I go? Okay, still manualing. I mean, I feel like I could find a spot in this game where you can just infinitely manual, but maybe not. Okay, so let's say I got all the way down here. That was only 1,000 feet. And then what? I need to kickflip back into menu. Oh no, it stopped me somewhere there. Okay, anyways. Okay, I did the longest manual I'm gonna do. I did not break 10,000 feet, but I did pretty good. I broke 7,000 feet. I'm pretty sure the second to the last one that I did just before that was 7,000 feet. Otherwise, the one after was 6,000. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that somebody out there is gonna get inspired to pick up a skateboard and go out on the street and learn to ride it and have an absolute blast. I did a survey and a lot of people got into skateboarding. New skaters got interested because of Skate 3. And then I thought, you know what? Let's make some Skate 3 videos, get some new people interested and let them know I'm here to teach you, yes you, how to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at brailleskateboarding.com. We'll see you in the next video.